It's amazing, amazing.
It is about togetherness and oneness of the music.
I followed it from the beginning till the end. And at the end, actually, I could have raised my tears.
Amazing, actually. I heard about from the main protagonist, our Kaisar Bhai. He was really so talented person, and he's working with Bengali music with the collaboration with European music.
ভালো লেগেছে আজকের কারণ হচ্ছে এটার সাথে আর্ট মিউজিক তারপরে হচ্ছে পয়েম সব একসাথে একটা এত সুন্দর সিঙ্ক্রোনাইজ ছিল আমার কাছে খুবই ভালো লেগেছে আমার মনে হয়েছে যে এরকম প্রোগ্রাম আরও বেশি বেশি হওয়া উচিত
I was mesmerized.
You know that music is a uniting factor for the humanity. And I think it's depicted truly in this program.
It was such a beautifully coordinated art scene. Background, visual, sound, recitation, the music, all the scores, background scores, everything was wonderful. I really enjoyed it.